What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Fishing OH, and today we're going to be fishing Garbry Creek, actually, in Garbry Woods Reserve. So, last time I was here, I did the fishing video in the pond that they have, and then I actually stopped over the creek and looked in it, and I saw a lot of fish. So, definitely high hopes for this place. I'm going to be fishing for whatever's in there. I'm bringing a Senko. I'm actually going to bring some corn for carp, if there are any. And then I also have a Senko, like a little crappie rod set up. So, we're gonna get out there because it's about to actually storm, I think. I'll show you guys here in a second what it's looking like, because it's not looking too good. But there is a bridge, and it's under the bridge, so we may have to camp out under there. See, there's a storm coming in over there. So yeah, we're gonna get rigged up here, and we'll get down there. We'll catch y'all down there. Let's go. All right, so walking up to the creek right now. Like I said, I got a little like crappie rig set up and Senko. Look at these two rods I just got. This is the Mac 2 in the green color. I forget what it's called. I think it might be just a Mac 2. But that, and then we got this little ultralight lure setup. The Mac Light. The thing looks dope. I'm loving it. And got it. Yep, bluegill. Nice one too. Nice little bluegill. Devoured it. Beautiful little guy. Oh. Please find your way back in the water. Gosh dang it. Alright, I'm gonna go down there real quick and get him. Fish on. A little largy. It's definitely bigger ones in here. Oh, sure. First largemouth of the day. Counting the little crawl, so. Healthy looking guy. Definitely gonna be getting some home though, for sure. Just gotta finesse it, you know. Nice little crawl. Just drag along the bottom. Alright, first step in carp fishing for me. First thing I do is open up my bait. I'm just gonna drain it in the water. Open up my bait. Get some, grab a bunch of it, throw it out there. I'll start off by throwing like three little handfuls of it, you know, get some scent going, get them stirred up. And then right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rig up my bait and then throw it out there and wait on them. That's the plan. All right, so here's the rig. Little hook, little octopus hook with 4 pieces on it, and then just a little lead weight. So my bait is currently right there, and to the left of me, I have like a deep area, and then to the right, it gets pretty much shallow from there. So what I'm gonna do is when that scent gets stirred up, usually those carp will probably come from down this way. So the first bait they're gonna hit is gonna be mine, because I'm gonna put my bait to like the left of the bait ball, and then hopefully they'll pick that up before they get to the bait ball. Let's hope. So we're gonna little pitch. Oh, right there. Yeah, and then we're just gonna wait. Oh. Got it. Got one. Oh, he's taking off. Oh, right into the brush. Okay. Let's go. Oh, biggin. Oh, biggin. He's in that brush though. What did I tell you? That was like what? Wasn't long at all. About 5 minutes just sat in there. Oh, that just came off. Where is he? Oh yeah. What did I say? Man. Nice carp. Gosh, he's ripping me. Nope, 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 nope. Man, he's peeling that drag. I need to get my other one out of the water. Oh gosh, okay. Where should I land him at? We'll go over here. Oh. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on in. Come on in. I'm so weak. That was so funny. Took literally 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's what I said too. I even said it. I was like, it should take one. Don't want to take long because once that scent gets out, they're usually on it. Didn't take long at all. Before this guy was on it. It took about 5 minutes. I told you, gotta get that one that stands out, and they usually eat it. And that little bait ball of corn that was stuck out from the group, he was on it. No time. No time at all. Come on in here, big boy. Here he is. Good old carp. Good old carp. Gosh, they're... Come here. No, 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 no. Gosh dang it, buddy. Don't do this. He's getting water all over me. Quit. Don't worry, I'm just gonna unhook it to get a couple pictures and let you go. I promise. No, I promise. I promise, dude. No. Quit. All right, there you go. You're good. All right, so I'm gonna get him unhooked, take some pictures, and we'll let him go for it. There she is. Nice old carp. Tell you what, he's actually blind in one eye. See right there? Look at that. He's blind. All right, here we're gonna let her go. Oh goodness! Thanks for the fight, big dog. See you, bud. Oh man. That was fun. Let's get another one. I am running pretty low on battery. I'm only on 36% right now on my GoPro, so I am trying to conserve battery at the most. I looked on Google Earth and found another spot along this creek, and it opens up a lot bigger than the last one. So we're gonna get out there and fish it. Let's go. All right. Just caught me like I think it's like some type of chub, it looks like. I'm trying where you guys can see that, but so I don't know what this thing is. I used to catch these a lot in my creek by my house. I don't know what they are, but see you, little turd. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. It was pretty fun. I didn't expect that many fish in that creek, but I mean, definitely gonna be going back and make some more creek videos there. And plus two, I found those two other spots. I found one a little ways down the road. It was a nice little creek right there too. I found one a little ways down the road, and then there was the one I fished at the actual Garbry Woods Reserve. So yeah, I mean, I've always looked over it, and like the last time I made the fishing video of me fishing there, actually, I found there was like, I looked down in there, I saw like I kid you not, like a 2.5, 3 pound largemouth in there, along with a couple other nice little. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely, it's a small creek, but it holds some big fish, as you guys saw. Like there's some really good fish in there. But I saw that there's a couple other carp down at the other spot, but I don't know, they just weren't into it. Maybe when you bring like a selection, maybe like some night crawlers or corn. I mean both, and corn. But yeah, it definitely was a good day for fishing. It's cloudy, you know, good conditions, so it went well. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.